Good morning. I hope you're doing great this morning or this afternoon or this evening. I want to clarify something quite important for learners of English, that your problem with learning of languages is not particularly related to learning of languages. It's more of a psychologically oriented because people struggle with consistency. Consistency is the matter of practicing something on small chunks over a longer period of time. And since it goes against human nature, so I want to give you some tips for today on how to be more consistent. Number one, you have to isolate one goal, since developing a consistency goes against human nature. Number two, focus on incremental development and improvement. You're not going to develop an overwhelmingly positive and worthwhile habit overnight. It takes a little bit of patience. Fight your emotions because the brain is a taxing organ. And last but not least, forgive your failures. That said, you're a human being, imperfect, just like any one of us. Thank you very much.